guys, my name is Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I just decided to film my everyday makeup routine. I don't wear makeup every day because I'm up at like 6 a.m. So really hope you guys like it. If you like what you see, please continue watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So my brows are done and my face is already primed. For foundation, I'm going to be using my usual Kat Von D Lock-It foundation in the shade Deep 78 Neutral. And I'm going to be using the Real Techniques body sponge to apply it on 3 pumps. So for concealer, I'm going to be using 2 shades of the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut and Toffee to brighten it up. And to set under my eyes, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Press Powders in the shade Translucent with the Real Techniques Buffing Brush. So I'm going to swirl that in, place that where I concealed. And then to bake, I guess, I'm going to be using... To bake, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent and Medium Deep. I like to mix the two because it gives me the perfect combination. To contour, I'm going to be using the Fenty Matchstix in the shade Espresso. I'm just going to sweep my SEPHORA angled blush brush. To carve out my contour, I'm going to be using the same combination I used to set my face. Now moving on to eyes, I'm going to be using 2 palettes and 1 eyeshadow single. No, 2 palettes and 2 eyeshadow singles. To start off, I'm going to be using the NYX Dreamcatcher palette in the style Golden Horizons. And for my first color, I'm going to use my fluffy brush from an Amazon brush set, and I'm just going to go into the middle color on the top row. This color right here. Just going to swirl that around and place that in the upper part of my eyes. And then going into the color right beside it, the brown one, I'm using that same brush, and I'm just going to put that right under the first color. Now using an angled fluffy brush, I'm going to go using the middle color in the bottom row, the matte dark chocolate one. Just going to swirl tap my brush in, and then push it into the outer corner and bring it closer, bring it up my crease a bit. And just to to intensify my crease a bit more, I'm gonna go into, where's the brush? I'm gonna go into the Sephora Colorful Matte Luster Matte eyeshadow in the shade Tree Hugger. Just gonna press that in. And then push it into the crease. And now for the lid, I am going to be using the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and into the Sephora Colorful Glitter eyeshadow in the shade Brown Diamonds, I'm going to press my brush, or sweat my brush in it. And then using setting spray, I'm just going to spray it. And then just apply that onto my lid. To swipe away my powder, I'm going to go into the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the shade. To swipe away the powder on my face, I'm going to go into the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the shade Deep Ebony. This is not deep. It's not, because look at it, it's orange. Like, Sephora, I love you because this does the damn thing, but I need you to make a darker color with not such an orange undertone. I feel like I'm neutral, kind of, I think so. But this makes me way too orange sometimes, so I have to like go into it lightly. So if you can make like a darker color than this, actually you can make up to 3 darker colors than this, to be honest. Like, to be dead ass, like this you can go 3 darker shades with this. So let me know when you decide to do it so I can get a new color. But as for right now, this one's stuck with. So I'm just gonna tap my brush in there and then swipe away my powder. And now to tone down the orange in my face, I'm going to go use the flat kabuki brush in the same Amazon brush palette, and I'm just going to swirl my brush in the Iman Earth Bronzer. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer in the shade Rich Brown. Just gonna apply that on my lash line. And just to buff it out, I'm going to be using, where is this? The e.l.f. smudge brush, and going into the matte chocolate in the middle row here. I'm just going to tap my brush in there just to soften it. And then for the inner part of my eye, I'm going to be using, I don't even know what brand this is. Oh, Beauty Rush Luminous Eyeshadow in the shade Gold School. It has like this kind of applicator, but I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Is it this one? Yes. The e.l.f. Small Smudge Brush. I'm just going to tap my brush. It's very pigmented. And then flick it a bit. And then put it on the inner part where I didn't put liner. And now I'm gonna do my lashes, mascara, and eyeliner off camera, and I'll see you guys in a few. Alright, so I'm back. I have to change clothes because I'm going out soon. I put on these Reflex lashes by Matchstix. I'm trading the style number 1. And then for liner, I use the SEPHORA Stylographic Fine Line. The SEPHORA Stylographic Fine Line Microfin Belt Liner in black. And then for mascara, I use 2. I use the e.l.f. Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara before I put on the lashes. And then to blend my lashes in, I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So now I'm moving on to highlight. For highlight, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. I just dug my nail. Oh my god, this happens every time. I'm going to be using the Real Techniques contour brush. And I'm just going to lightly swipe and then apply it. And just to buff the edges of my highlight, I'm going to go into my body sponge and then just tap to soften it. And for blush, I'll be going into the e.l.f. blush palette in the shade Dark. And going into using the not that brush. Using the e.l.f. bronzing brush, I'm gonna go into this the corner color here. Oh my god. The corner color here. And then to set my face, I'm gonna be using the Boscia White Charcoal Mattifying Makeup Setting Spray. And to line my lips, I'm going to be using Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Molasses. I'm just going to heavily line my lips. Next, I'm going to use the Sephora Lip Pencil in the shade Khaki. Okay, so this is the final look. Really hope you guys like it. This is usually what I wear on days where I don't have to wake up early in the morning, because every day I usually wake up 6 a.m. So if I have the chance to wake up later and I have nothing to do later that day, I'll choose to wear makeup. So this is like my version of my everyday usual routine. Like, it's either I go barefaced or all out, and this is like my version of all out. So I really hope you guys like it. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
So I've just been going out, and I don't know what the hell's going outside, but it needs to stop. Like, look at this shit. Oh my god, flame.